Welcome. If you want to stay instantly updated whenever there's activity on a specific Facebook page post, you're in the right place. With the latest Facebook update for PC, enabling notifications for a particular post is quicker and simpler than ever before. Let's go through the steps together so you never miss an important comment or discussion. First, make sure you're on your computer. Open your favorite web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, use the search bar, your feed, or navigate directly to the page's timeline to find the exact post you want to follow closely. When you've found the post, look at its upper right corner and spot the three dots icon. This is the menu that gives you more options for that specific post. Go ahead and click on those three dots. A quick menu will pop up with several actions you can take. From this menu, select Turn on Notifications for this post. That's it. Once you click this option, Facebook will instantly start sending you notifications whenever there's new activity on that post, like every new comment or reaction. This feature comes in handy if you're tracking a breaking news update, a big announcement, or a hot community discussion. With notifications turned on, you'll always be in the loop the moment something new happens. And if you ever decide you no longer want notifications for that post, just repeat the same steps. Click the three dots again and select Turn off notifications for this post. It's that easy. A few quick clicks and you're all set to stay connected, in real time, to conversations and updates that matter most to you. Give it a try the next time you see an important Facebook page post you don't want to miss, and enjoy staying up to date with the latest discussions and news.